seresrew te sa akura ketwa
na abusia
tie video we na yenka Sammy Gyamfi ho asem na eba beka sesia
kakra bi afasika na kenten so a omo ne omo yere ne omo ma ne omo busuafo edi sika ne nyafunyafo ti sika bi ani wa de be ye oman ni ye enu nti na ye bre no enu nti na ukrom kwan no aka ho a aban ne nyeye no enu nti na aso piti sa ye hwe no ye nhu no the reason is corruption enu nti si ye pese o mai fa no tuma pefra e wo se ye nyina ye ni bre e wo kata hyehyɛ pro ye dwirim so na ye te so atua na ene kata hyehyɛ ne pro ye no new angle bi aba MPP for the bomb by no chrono yi pa e ya de a ye friend so source ye de akire nyina ne se aban pese odi dwumadie bi na insese obefa mra kwan so abamu ama omo a omo wo opepa se omo ye se adwuma ni nyina epre bi no aban ne ti da bi me de ko hye dem na me de akoma nipa ba ko pe eno ne ye friend so source da bi me de ko hye dem na me de akoma nipa ba ko pe eno ne ye friend so source kese mempene ema ho kwan ema de opese wo ye bibia na emepre na de ne bo wo fom wo betumi aye ne yie ne ye mfa adwuma ne ma no na emo mi twabo na me de amanipa
bacho wote asema Sammy Gyamfi kan ye yie pa emsa wote ne yie ye wo fiti biem asem na eba no mu edru ntu de ti ne biem
nipa kakra bi afasika na kenten so a omo ne omo yere ne omo ma ne omo busuafo edi sika ne nyafunyafo ti sika bi ani wa de be ye oman ni ye enu nti na ye bre no enu nti na ukrom kwan no aka ho a aban ne nyeye no enu nti na aso piti sa ye hwe no ye nhu no the reason is corruption enu nti si ye pese o mai fa no tuma pefra e wo se ye nyina ye ni bre e wo kata hyehyɛ pro ye dwirim so na ye te so atua na ene kata hyehyɛ ne pro ye no new angle bi aba MPP for the bomb by no chrono yi pa e ya de a ye friend so source ye de akire nyina ne se aban pese odi dwumadie bi na insese obefa mra kwan so abamu ama omo a omo wo opepa se omo ye se adwuma ni nyina epre bi no aban ne ti da bi me de ko hye dem na me de akoma nipa ba ko pe eno ne ye friend so source da bi me de ko hye dem na me de akoma nipa ba ko pe eno ne ye friend so source kese mempene ema ho kwan ema de opese wo ye bibia na emepre na de ne bo wo fom wo betumi aye ne yie ne ye mfa adwuma ne ma no na emo mi twabo na me de amanipa
yes enti abusuanfo bi sam se adentia me bo video we akiro se yetie Sammy Gyamfi yie pa e woni video ya na o kasa imu a o kama yetie ho ase se MPP aban ene ne mpanfo e ya akronfo na kwanya omofa so bokro no ene se aban nyuma no instead of say be biem ato ho na nkrofo omowo enka se akade so mbetumi aye sa adwuma no obia be kire so pese onye bi na yahwem na yahwe de oye adwuma na ebeboa oman no aye no osi ye pagya na de amanipa ba akofo aban na ankasa etwa boto so na de amani yonko na one no asan afa akire na omo akwakoji sika na di enti to him no ye saa kwanya no so na NPP aban afa so a ode bokro no miye kwaku mensa ne mo akwaba ose saa kwa so na NPP aban afa so bokro no eni ntia ye ne hospitals ye ne ka kwan ye ne nsuo na ye ne ye ne yemfa se ejiremu ahodene a ejina ne nan so abusia saa sem na Sammy Gyamfi kan ye no wantumi amo company bi dini se company we any company we ye dere bi ye so source na yento aso ne enko yanim fresh back and let's move to the present of today ene amen okase Sammy Gyamfi oye Ghana Cocoa Board CEO ye nyinanim se oyes Sam Ferguson John Mahama New Ibrahim Mahama ne boy and now no the CEO of Ghana Cocoa Board that's it Ghana Gold Board, sorry. Ghana Gold Board na ɛda hɔ no ɔno na ɛyɛ the top hierarchy ɔno na commande nti biribiara hyɛ ne nsam ɛnɛ saa Sammy Gyamfi na ɔreka sɛ wodi adwuma ma nipa directory na wamma ɔmmiema nto hɔ ama nkurɔfoɔ nso ametrae ɔmo lɔɔka ahwɛ a ɛkyerɛ sɛ wobɔ korɔ no saa Sammy Gyamfi no ɛnɛ as a head of the Ghana Gold Board no watumi agyina ne nan so the contractor $11 million ama papa bi a yɛfrɛ ne Sam Dogwe na yɛka sɛ Sam Dogwe na wobɛbisa m sɛ ɔno ne hwan Sam Dogwe ɔno ne yɛ the deputy chief of staff tiemie pa deputy chief of staff enti sɛ Julius Debra ɛnni hɔ a saa papa yɛ ɔda me nsa sɛbio me nsa benkum so hɔ yi saa side ha yi ɔno na ɛfrɛ Sam Dogwe sɛ deputy sɛ chief staff ni hɔ a Julius Debra Mr. Walkout Mr. Trotten Mr. Yenkoto America nkwasi asa bɔne wura no so ni hɔ a papa wei na ɛwɔ hɔ na sɛ papa wei yɛ aban mu twotwo mu nto temiye pa ɔyɛ aban na ɛte akonnwa so ntwotwo mu nto because ɔyɛ deputy staff chief of staff ɔmo mpo na decide who can get access to the president Saman wei ɔno na ɛwɔ the what them call limited company limited Zoze company limited group of companies ono na wo Woze TV but the NDC during campaign no mu yomu campaign kese no papa wo yo to ne dia na de wo mu ne say contract na ene Sam Dogwe, yes, Sam Dogwe. Contract na ene ye ka ho asem no. Ya sign 11 million contractor. Yamfa ma bonte ama ye burden. Ama obi Ghana ni fufuro bi an contest. Sammy Gyamfi paja ya na odi share papa we nsem se onje sa contract no nye sa adwuma no. Enti the questioner ni bisa ne se enti ensem na Sammy Gyamfi kan bese some 2 minutes ago says I bind the contract at the adwuma Emma company be directory with that bidding net for people to try their locker eye krono no does it mean say ono so the oye ne nei eye kwam bia wafa so de bokro no ana na moreover say nipa eye kana asemi osanso e aban mu mpanyimfo. This is the question that I'm asking. Very simple. When you atemudie. Sammy Gyamfi abana ye de ball tachi no. Ye de bebo banda bi. Abana yamfa anko ba bi ye de atwere ha. Wanu mu nsem no na ye de contest mo. And the question remains the same. Sa contract we chrono contract ana. Sa contract we unyibenya mfaso bi wo mu ana. Sa contract we John Mahama ni NDC for mpanyimfo bi ebenya mfaso bi wo mu ana. Na obebi sam say contract ben e de ma akwa we. Contract e de man say onkoye renovation at the Ghana Gold Board office. Gold Board na yete ne 2025 unum no. And ye renovation. And the cost of the renovation on Kwano 11 million. 11 million. Sa 11 million no. Ankwa nkodi. Ghana ni bia sabio wabre ni company nsam na wanya bibia tafre o. The contract went direct into the pocket of the deputy chief of staff. The conflict of interest in this party called NDC government, John Dariga, the leader, now Banweno, a oversize. How can the deputy chief of staff earn contract, directly awarded contract from the Ghana Cocoa Board without bidding? Mpacho a influence biana. the Jubilee House and a demand Sammy Gyamfi say on fasa contract the Masam Dogwe ana Sant Dogwe. Sammy Gyamfi na ne Sam Dogwe akoshia di nkomo na krono nti odi sa adwuma na ma na Julius Debra ni campaign management team sika omo pede aye campaign no na menusu nti Sammy Gyamfi man sa contract na. There are many questions on this that should be answered. Ntimi yankasa mikrom drobo to Sampa brekum drobo Sampa road na yenyanye sa kwan no Sammy Gyamfi enam contract we nti ayenye ya na Gyamfi amamfo a school for the free education omunya aduane ni aduane ne yegale ne nkate nkwan ya nsuo nko a eye contract fun we ya wasan nti ana Sam yento ado teachers and nurses trainees and teachers and nurses trainees omonso no entua wonka abaye ntokwa yenwia Harina Idrusu ene ato force omo kontokwa dendendende eno so no. Is it because of such a corrupt day rawne samdogwe muye yana? I say, oh, party are useless. A party are useless pa. Political party are ka idea pa an idea of governance. Omunni bi we are seeing nyinama nkrofo we and the toppers. Bangladesh politicians they have knowledge than these guys. Jimmy Nkwa Omudidi directly only in the pocket of the ordinary Ghanaians. Taxpayers' money home. NNDC form phone na esi omuketrema ditare. They don't create employment out of governance. And inti omufre konyomu na omupese omonshe omoho akomfo no. Richard said they have no money to pay nurses and teachers, but they have money to buy praying for $70 million. NDC is most great loot and share party in Ghana. Punto, finito. Richard, finito. What finish no? What say by Richard? Omusu no omobano no. What is your NDC nibi? Enyane hwa. Go into his life. He made money through governance, through leadership of this party that were in power and they gave him something in the government to do. They are not creative. Ento omunyina ebokro no bi. Enti se de omunsem okeka ne dabi. Ye de toto ho na ye comparison of the day. It is very ashamed. It is unacceptable. Party the leadership, ministers, MPs, any CEO for Omo chairman, general secretary, they have nowhere to stand. And tokwane echo party. Confusion. So even concentration on what to do. Among for money, they are thinking of who to come and lead, who to come and succeed Mahama. Like Bill, ne boy yedra man for man to mintono. And this if one am now moye campaign for 2028. Every cabinet minister be or cabinet ne when this yamanyoku wemu. He is not thinking about how they can make this 2020 2024 to 2028, you know. Come before some more minor konanim. They are all thinking about who is coming to succeed Mahama. So they are pushing monies. Sikane wohone ye o mining in ade no. Omo packet they call different people. Nkrofo probably say they are coming to stand. They are finding a way to push the Ghana's money into their pocket. Say that be on benye sikadia ye campaign. So why when year NDC indirectly obatra konwa so onya hwio what the NDC has achieved to do and say omobeji sika free Ghana for bottom Say aban no benye sika na amanfo no ebeye den ebe sofa. So they don't care. 11 million for renovation of an office here. Who build it? It is less than 1 year, 2 months. 11 million choppable Ghana cities. Contractor anye bidding. Direct award. Conflict of interest. Chronobopa. One or describe. And at the end of the day, you are the one who is actually committing such a crime. Abra one word describe. Now, do you know what is how many arrogant so? Now wait na guy be na your mommy be a point and one sem now call comment and I say on this poster here say and this year Sammy GYAMFY at the contract deputy chief staff of the NDC government. And of course they say, how come say contract eba yede kwa koma nye obia say deputy chief of staff. Bra, papa no deputy chief of staff sound say dogwe etiminya college to come under the post of that woman and answer her with this comment. When ye pa, the comment na mebe kan chiro ni ye pa. Papa ni timinya adaje babe kan say well. I'm going to say, why is it that only some group that are benefiting? I'm going to say, Adentia, abang we buy ye, and Krofoki be benefiting. Some of you were given appointment and at the same time, you are taking contract in addition. Why are you the only people? Oyendisini, and a business same way. Sam Togwe got the audacity to go there and say, at the comment section, say, well, I should have shut down my business once the NDC won and sent everybody home. No, sir or madam. Business thrives by chasing business opportunities. They did not sit down to be called. I'm not sure you would be denied if you also source for a service within your business operational area. Papa we see that be the mami assemble na wukan. O person ka chem senka me company no mingu no abrandi si wen ne abana na na mempa mo nkrofo so obi anko tena fie adwumafo so mo nko tena fie ana maame entesa adwuma bia no ehwehwe akwanya eba adwuma entran fie entwen se ebefre won na oye sure se maame we so ewo akwanya bi obetumi a provide service bi dia ma aban no kwam bi so a ochitum se aban no ebeye de fata ene de sama no nso anya contract aye tio enya ne fadi o sanso aka nkwasiasem de akire ye na aka ho enya ne fadi ekura enya ne fadi se there is a conflict of interest o enya ne fadi se enwa se deputy chief of staff yet to man a contract directly without the involvement of any other person. Enya ne fadi he came out boldly to admit and also even to be arrogant on the woman. Sankrofu eni akokoto abade amom so momra medi yeso. Bacho tim yepa. These are men and now me no ka say the country called Ghana is in their hands. Now Semo yasempa. Yasem kese. Enti Sammy GYAMFY na ho asem abaro anyway. Now let's keep on here and let's go on. Let's read this comment and see what we can do. I see a breaking news. Leaked document from well-meaning Ghanaians at the Gold Board reveals how Gold Board awarded the sole sourcing contract worth of 11 million to Korika Ghana Limited for the renovation of former Bank of Ghana head office. Our colleague at Ghana Limited, subsidiary company of the Guozor Group, owned by Deputy Chief of Staff and the personal assistant to the president. Tio. Papa Osansu, even the personal assistant to the president, not only Deputy Chief of Staff. Because omu ene dalete, omu ne commande the Jubilee House. Yentu asuna yenko yanim na, let's go into another matters ya eba. Abusiamfo, ye can't tell me say at the papa, Amina Sammy say from Hamburg, Ghanaian short memory syndrome and low mindset level have allowed Mahama and his NDC always fooling and deceiving the public with propaganda lies. Obvious. Or say, this is a commenter, the actual Minister of Education, directed to the actual Minister of Finance. We know, say, a school for, teacher for, nurse for, obiaka tuya emma. Especially, the nurses are suffering. Teacher trainees are suffering. Nurses trainees are not suffering. Teachers are suffering. Dr. Baumianen Sem no kan 2015 2016 year campaign 2027-2028. Baumia can repeat the same thing. And now I can say teachers and nurses, trainees and teachers, they are all suffering. They are all suffering because allowances and salaries no emma. Young Kotia hadn't a Druso, the minister for education about Bontin or Bontin, or say, you can't blame me, to me, mommy, some more. For the mess at the education ministry, to me, mommy, some more. It was a saying, bonene, at the bonny I echo so, education ministry. I say, because, and I'm say, everything is about money. Bibia yesikasem. And everything, money lies in the hands of the finance minister. And just so I see my money some more because Bibia yesikasem. Sikasem so who bibiano as a finance minister and some. Enti ono ne wo last say ono ne kan ebem. So blame him for no payment of allowances, salaries, and the things you complain about. And this party will go away. Brother, Missy, and this party no, I go away. A go. Ejna honsu abubu. And the education minister, and the finance minister kontokwa. And no, intellectually, there is a reason behind. Harina Idrusu want to be a vice president with the minister compare with whom we call the actual vice president. Ye mame Jane Opoku Ajimai. Harina Idrusu person on partner no in the 2028 elections. Ato force him pese onye candidate, presidential candidate. Enti sa kampu mienu wei omo wonto kwadada. Enti hari na Idrisu ahya ase party na gu awie. Hari na Idrisu ahya ase a otuja de ko ato force ne kampu ho. Say oye incompetent. Because I was on saying answer ayina ba. No krenso oye incompetent. Yes, in a Ghana economy, under Nana Danko Kufuado and the leadership of Kenoforiata, every teacher and every nurse was paid. Every nursing trainee and teacher trainee was paid. But then you say Ato is forcing, but common salaries, allowances, and commodities for school. Ye ni bine diamam a school for no. What it shows you how incompetent can the NDC be? How untruthful the party called NDC is. Ayentokwa and Omonko. Common teachers salary kurano NDC are buying 80 mintia. I can't say what talk Ghana of queer for cocoa at Piawonka. Yento as